I look so tired. Hi guys! Welcome to another Fab Friday. I'm Annette if you were new here. I did not feel like doing my hair today. So today, I got a couple new makeup items on sale. Some of them are older but new to me. Haven't really been talked about in a while, have been reformulated, and one of them is like super new. So today I picked up Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. This stuff is hit or miss. I watched a couple other videos on it before I even bought it, and people either really liked it or really hated it. I got the shade 081 Fair Ivory. This one was like the second or third lightest shade. I think it was the third lightest shade. A lot of people have said that it is a very good dupe for the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. So we'll see. The other thing I got is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible in shade 757 Silver Sky. And that's what the packaging looks like. It's got this little like press thing in it so it keeps its shape. And this is what it looks like. It does have a gouge in it because of my eyeshadow mixing video. So we're gonna play around with that. And the last thing I got is the Essence Prismatic Hollow Lighter Stick in the shade Be Unique, Be a Unicorn. One thing I can tell you right now is that this smells like a cupcake, and I really like it. Get my ridiculous hair out of the way. Get you zoomed in. I'm gonna start out by priming with the NYX Pore Filler, and I'm just going to smush this where I need it. Alright, so let's get right into this foundation, shall we? It does look really moussey. This is what it looks like on the hand. It looks like it might be a little too pink for me because I'm already pretty freaking pink, but we're gonna see. I definitely think I may have taken too much because I still have this much left on my hand, but I'm gonna leave it there and we'll see how far this goes, and I'll touch up some spots. So I'm just using my beauty blender. Okay, so initial application. I'd say it's definitely a good match color-wise. It's not looking too pink. It doesn't seem as though it is oxidizing too much. Big concern for me, it is, I don't know how much you can see. On my nose, it is just not sitting well. It does not agree with my nose. Coverage is all right. I'm gonna see if this can build. I definitely like this color though, because as anybody who's been watching my videos knows, I definitely need to reshade my Fit Me. And I think I could probably match it with this and that would work out. But it is so just all my dry spots. It's not settling into any pores or over top of them. It's settling around them. Realistically, I have yet to find a foundation, like the pores in the corner of my nose here are really bad. I always have to shove concealer in there, but this is the worst I think I've seen it. It feels nice on my face. It is definitely accentuating all of the pores everywhere. I'm gonna just get a bit on my beauty blender here from my hand. And we're gonna see if I can just press this into the pores. I'm gonna kind of like smooth it instead of pat it. And see if I can build that over. Okay, so that actually seems to have worked. It definitely still is showing the pores, but they're not as accentuated as they were, so it's not really what I want in a foundation. In fact, this may actually look even better if I used a brush to blend it out, but I'm not a fan of using a brush for my foundation, so there's that. Like, this will never be my favorite foundation. Let's get some concealer on and some face powder and see how all that sits. So problem number one I'm having with the concealer is this concealer I got to match my Fit Me color, and that is too dark for me. So even though this concealer looks light on the Fit Me foundation, it is looking super dark on this foundation because this is an actual color that fits my skin tone. Second thing is, I don't know if you can see up in here, but when I was blending out the concealer, it kind of took the foundation off. It's not working so far. I think this is absolutely a summer oily day foundation. I'm gonna get my eyebrows on real quick and then we will start on our eyes. So for today, for my eyes, obviously I'm gonna be using this, we're trying this out, but I'm going to, for the rest of the colors, be using my Pro palette, and I'm gonna be kind of delving into these LA Colors palette. I'm gonna start out by setting this concealer with just white shade here, white translucent. And then I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm feeling blue today. I think I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna use this sort of blue-gray color as my first transition. Because I'm gonna do blue, I'm doing kind of a harsh cool tone eye. I'm gonna get another transition shade on here. And I'm gonna go into this sort of denim blue right here. You have to be very careful when doing all cool toned eyes because you don't want to look dead. I'm gonna take this teal color right here and I'm gonna concentrate that in the crease. And now we're heading into Mimi territory. I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend this out. I am going to take this navy blue right here, and I'm gonna do something with it. So I'm just concentrating it on the outer and inner corners, and then I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm going to blend. This is one of those looks that's gonna look ridiculous till I'm totally done. So next I'm gonna take a slightly damp packing brush and I'm gonna go into this shimmery blue right here, pack some of that onto the center of the lid. And now the fun part. I'm going to take this silver shadow on my finger and we're going to pat that in the center. Blend. So this is definitely a hit for me. I'm loving this. And it does not appear to be creasing. I am super dramatic today. Now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm going to start with a little angled brush. I'm gonna take this shimmery navy color from here and I'm gonna pop that under here. Then to tie in the lighter blue, I'm gonna take this shimmery sort of teal mint sea foamy color into this pearly white shade right here. And we're going to pop that into the inner corner and under the brow bone. So extra today. So I'm gonna get some liner and lashes on off camera and we'll come back and test out the last product. So this is the finished eye look. This is extra as hell. We're going into the prismatic holo lighter. I think pretty much every brand has one of these out now. So I thought, why not start with the cheapest and work our way up? Here, let me swatch this for you real quick because on top of it smelling like cupcakes, look at it. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna get some on my finger here and I'm gonna just dab it up the cheek. That is pretty. It smells so strongly of cupcakes. Tap that out. That isn't bad. And I do have powder on my face, so this isn't sitting terribly. You know, I'm just gonna put this on my face. This foundation though, oh my god. See, that took the foundation right off. Oops. I should have known better. That's my own fault. But look at this side where I just tapped it on. It looks nice. It looks nice. Oh, now I'm gonna throw on some blush. A bit of this one right here. Wow, that's bad. Where it came off, where my foundation started to come off. See, again, this side looks fine. This is just miserable. I will not be taking any pictures of this side of my face today. But wow, is that ever unimpressive. So I'm thinking because I'm gonna take this all off, I'm just gonna skip lips today. Here is the finished monstrosity. Oh my God, static, static. My eyes turned out amazing. And my final thoughts. Love, 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 absolutely love this eyeshadow. It is the perfect amount of sparkle and chrome, and it's just brilliant for these halo and spotlight kind of eyes. I'm so happy with this. Hello, Winston. Winston likes it. The Holo lighter. It's good for the price. Absolutely good for the price. If you want one of those, like the L'Oreal, it's L'Oreal or Maybelline, whichever one has the Galaxy stick. Maybe this is gonna be good for just kind of testing out the whole iridescent highlighter thing. It's super cheap. It was $6.49 Canadian. So, thanks. But you can't go wrong with the price. The foundation, I do not like this in the winter. I do not like it. It is clinging to all of the dry. I managed to fix the pore problem, but as soon as I put anything else on top of it, it all just kind of came off. So I think I'm gonna refrain from hating it until it's summertime. I will come back to this once I get my oily skin back. But for right now, in Canadian winter weather, it is just X-nay. You're licking all the makeup off my hand. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. If you're excited to see more stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're worried you might forget, then just hang around till the end screen and click on my face.